I continue the reverse engineer of the Anker. Okay, so I found this datasheet. So probably in order to get voltage you can use this table. I will try to see if it is working. So we can see that we have the D plus and D minus, and then by applying different voltage the power bank should give the output as we see here. So we have here a few classes and a few modes, but we will try to go for the 12 volts or 9 volts by applying 0.6 volt to the D plus and D minus in the cable, and we will try to see if this is working. Okay, so soon I will connect a power supply and try to apply the voltage to see if there is a change, and then I will try to do it through the Anker power bank itself. So let's continue and do it. Second. So first I will use my Rigol power supply in order to supply me the 0.6 volts, and then we will see if we can change the Anker output, and then I will try to do it by applying a simple diode. I have here diodes, hope you can see it. If not, they are regular 1N4148 if I remember correct. This is general purpose silicon diode, and I will do a circuit in order to show how it works. Okay, so we will start by applying voltage to my Rigol, because I need to apply to the D plus and D minus 0.6 volts in order to apply higher voltage in the Anker power bank that support the fast charge. Okay, so we'll go to input 1, 0, 0.6, or where is the point? 0.6 volt. The current can be very low because I expect that it doesn't consume any current. Okay, so I have here set up for the correct voltage that should be by the table. So now we will move to the Anker and try to see if this is really working. So as you can see, my lab is like a big mess, but as I said, it always looks like this no matter what I'm doing. Okay, so let's try it. Before applying the diode, we will use again the USB dongle that can measure current and voltage. So here I have 5 volts. So now I will try to move to higher voltage. I will try to zoom in so you will be able to see if this is really working for us. It will work. Okay, I will zoom on the dongle and I will try it now. I don't know when it is measuring, what is the sequence, I don't know nothing, but let's try. So I have here the GND. I think this is GND, and now I will apply voltage to here and voltage to here. 0.6. Oh, okay. If you can see, it is up now to 10 volts. Okay, we could do it. Let's try to search for the sequence. I don't know what is the D plus and D minus, but I know that if I am connecting to the first and then to the second, so the power is up, and the voltage. Okay, so we have tried to crack this algorithm. If I'm doing the opposite, by the way, connecting 0.6 to the other side, and then I don't know what is the plus and the minus, the D plus and D minus, it doesn't work. This is interesting, so I need to apply the 0.6 to the first and then to the second. Up, it powered off. Okay, so I applied the first and then to the second, and then it moved the voltage up. Okay, so now I will try to do the same without applying power from outside source. I will use the same power inside the 5 volt in order to apply the voltage higher. Okay, so how I'm going to do this? This is pretty simple, so I will explain what I'm planning to do. So I will zoom out so we will be able to see what I'm planning to do. I expect it to work, so but there is a sequence, as we said. So I will take the 5 volts and then connect it with a resistor to a diode and then to the ground. The diode will force 0.7 volts, which is close to 0.6. I don't expect an issue with this. I think I can use, for example, 1k ohm, because the current is probably low, and then I will use this wire and connect it to the plus D and to the minus D of the cable. I don't know to which first, but as we can see, one of them should be the first that get the 0.7 voltage, and the other should be the second. So this is all the circuit. I will try. I never tried it before. This will be first test for this one, and then maybe we will put a lamp or something to make sure that it is really getting the voltage up. So let's try. I will beat the circuit now. Okay, so now let's try it. I'm very curious. First time, didn't try it, and I didn't see any video about it on the net, so probably I'm the first that trying to do this experiment. Okay, so I have now connected here the VCC to resistor, and then to the positive of one silicon diode, which is 0.7 volt, and the ground back to the ground. And now these are the D plus and D minus that I should be connected to this point, and the voltage should be up, and I'm not using any other power supply. So this is all the setup, not connected to anything. So let's try. Connected the USB, and now I will put first and then the second. Nothing. Let's try then this one and then the second, and somehow this doesn't work. Let's try again. Ah, it is working. It is working. Hope you can see it. Okay, so I need to connect first this is the white and then the green. Okay, so this is the first and then the second. Okay, so I'm the first, hopefully, that doing this experiment. I will zoom in so you will be able to see it yourself. Okay, zooming in on my dongle. Okay, up. Hopefully you can see it. Zoom a little out. Maybe I will remove the light, or from here. Okay, so let me show you again how this setup is working. So we have here 5 volts, and then I'm connected one wire, and then the second, again first white, and then the second. No, maybe the sequence is different. This is the first and this is the second. Yes. Okay, so you can see that the voltage was up. So the first is to connect the green and then the white, and you can do this setup very easily, and you can use and extend the power out from the battery. This is very nice. Okay, so I will try now to connect a lamp or something, so we will be able to see the change. I will try to search for 12-volt lamp. Okay, I have a LED light that I can do and show it. In a second I will connect it. Okay, so I've connected a car lamp, 12-volt car lamp, regular car lamp. As you can see, it is lighting at low light, and now we will do the voltage up. I will connect this, and then I will connect the other one, and it is working. As you can see, the power bank was update the voltage to 10 volts instead of 5. Hey, this is nice. So now I can use the power bank with a very simple setup and update the voltage up without any Arduino or nothing, in a very simple way. So hopefully you will find this video impressive as I do. I think I'm the first doing this experiment on the net. So thank you and bye bye.